Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, just go into Settings. Following that, you need to scroll down and click on Connected Devices. Then choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing section. After that, you can click on Default Print Service or choose Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one. Now wait for it to download and go back. Then click on Desired Printing Service and click on this switch or next to Use Print Service if it's not already on. After that, your device will look for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!